Morning everyone, today we celebrate the vibrant culture of Karnataka through its traditional dance. Karnataka has a rich history of folk arts that tell stories of gods, heroes and nature. Yakshagana, the theatre dance. First look at Yakshagana. It is dance and music drama from coastal Karnataka, where huge colorful headgear is called kirita. Elaborate costumes. They perform stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. They throw out in the night. Thank you. Dolugunika, the powers of drums. Dolugunika is a powerful drum dance. It is performed mainly by the Kuruba community. Dancers carry loud drums and dolu decorated with the color cloth and beat them in fast rhythm. It represents strength, energy and community spirit. These dances are the heartbeat of Karnataka's heritage. Let us take pride in our culture. Thank you.